Hi, this is Adriana, and today we had such a beautiful morning. We had our field trip here in Mission Bay, and our little ones were able to play in the water, play in the sand, and our parents had a great time too. They always tell us they really enjoy our field trips here, and it was just the perfect day. I took longer here walking around because I'm getting grounded on the beach. And just remember, you need to go out, breathe in all this amazing air, and remember that the minerals in the sand, everything, it's a great combination to boost your immune system. And this video is another video for the 100-day video challenge in SalesVision. So remember, if you have products to sell, or you're in network marketing and you need customers or leads, you can access our digital marketing software to generate leads online, and you don't need to bother friends and family. So you will find the link in the description below, and it will take you to the page that will explain more about it. Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy the view. Bye.